Sometimes we come early in the morning. Sun is now out today, and I am showing you beautiful garden. They plant all the fruit and vegetables in lines. Sweet corn, some berries, carrots, spinach, onion, cabbage. Here they plant not just fruit, vegetables. They as well plant some marigold flowers and sunflower, because this is pollinators and keep the bugs away. And if you could see, the sweet corn is growing very well, very healthy, and the tomato is ripening. More you do picking up the fruit, more better going to ripe. There is a golden plum. Look how beautiful it looks, purple plum striped. And if you give a shake, lots of plums fall, and that one is ready to eat. And here Uncle Ali's allotment. This is golden plums and taste very nice. There's a small orchard tree full with apples. What else you want? 15-20 pound tree, plant somewhere and have fruit in summer and blossom in a spring. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very unique peach plant, full with fruit. First time got the fruit like this on the branches, and the branches going down with the fruit. First we thought this is plum, but later on, up to now, it is peach or is almond. We will see when is the last result. Every branch got fruit, thanks God, and some branches are hanging down with the fruit. If I lift one, you will see, mashallah, how much fruit one branch have, and it's going down with the fruit. Grow your own food. In our city, this is the main street of road of our town called Bedford, High Street of Bedford. And there is motorbike standing here, which is delivering food here and there, Pizza Express or something. Now you could see the motorbike going there. People are walking in the afternoon with their children in the pushchair, and some children can walk and they holding hand of parents and going here and there. We doing last minute shopping of the day, and every day in the holidays we go for shopping. 10-15 pound at least every day we spend, because when there are holidays and when you have children at home and you are staying home, you eat and you need to buy more grocery, more things one by one. But it's better to eat healthy food which can give you energy. Some people eat junk food because they said whatever they have eaten, it cannot be shown. Only the people can see wearing clothes and your status and shoes. But I say eat well. There are beautiful flowers. The first stop of mine is on flowers, and I like looking at flowers. And if there is beautiful flower, I fall in love with flowers, then I buy it and treat myself. I'm looking for flowers. But if most of the time I like to look at the offers as well as flowers, and if it's very beautiful, then you can have the flowers. I don't know, children have changed the this thing, how they change. It's look beautiful, very attractive, imagination kind of world. It's the same video, but they change the color. And I'm going to ask her how to change, because it's just not look really look just drama. So the children we were sitting and waiting in a car, and we wait to make some video, and they made like this, and I think it's look very interesting, beautiful. Sky is very beautiful sky, blue sky. There are clouds shining white, green look more greener, and red look more red. I don't know how they change. I don't know how to do something with the camera, but the children they just done, and they made a beautiful little video which I am sharing it with you. It's very simple, sitting in a car and making video, but look beautiful, and I hope you will enjoy. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Desibibiuk and share it with your family and friends, and always write down in a comment section how I am doing the job, which kind of videos would you like, and which part of my videos you really like it, and where you watching the videos from. I appreciate your time and your effort. Thank you for watching, and see you soon with the next interesting vlog. Let's enjoy the rest of the video. So we went to the car showroom to see which kind of car we want to purchase, and how we can maintain the bills and the car. So with the family, people are going to show us around. The newest cars are inside. Brother, sister, viewers, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। जितना गुड़ डालेंगे उतना ही मीठा होगा। यहाँ पर देखें कि माशाल्लाह हमारे टमाटोज़ हैं, लाए तो हमने ख़रीद के ही लगाए थे। चेरी टमाटर हैं, किस तरह जे गुच्छे के गुच्छे भरे हुए हैं, ग्रेप्स की तरह। और यहाँ पर भी देखें कि ये भी किस तरह फुल बटा फुल है। तो इस तरह ये जो फालतू इसकी टहनियाँ हैं, जो बड़ी बड़े शाखें हैं, अगर आप तोड़ के इसकी जड़ों में ही डाल देंगे, ये इसका फीड भी हो जाएगा और ये और फल उठाएगा यहाँ पर। तो यहाँ पे ये बाथू है, बाथू के भी बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदे हैं। गदरे गदरे से टमाटर थे, मैंने सोचा कि थोड़े पिकअप कर लेती हूँ। तो फिर मैंने देखा कि माशाल्लाह अल्लाह ताला की शान बयान करना तो बनती है। ये देखिए, ये बेचारा फल से नीचे की तरफ इतना झुक गया है, कहते हैं ना झुके को फल ज़्यादा लगता है। तो इस तरह आपने आराम से पकड़ना है और इस तरह ट्विस्ट करना है, तो ये आपके हाथ में आ जाएगा। ये उसके पके होने की अलामत है। और जो बाकी ग्रीन है वो जल्दी ही हो जाएंगी। इसके अलावा आप देख सकते हैं कि इसको फल भी बहुत ज़्यादा है। पानी रेगुलर दे, तो इसके नीचे जो कंपोस्ट डालें, गर्मी रखें, कार्डबोर्ड रखें। ये देखें माशाल्लाह हर टहनी जो है वो फल से भरपूर है। तो मैं इसी को दिखाने के लिए मैंने ये कैमरा ऑन किया है। मैंने कहा चलो बहन भाइयों के साथ शेयर करना तो बनता है ना। ग्रो योर ऑन फूड प्लीज़। जुत्ती हाई बाग गए हैं। Whenever I go to allotment, I just make sometime one clip for you. How is the weather? How is our crops doing? And what is special in allotment we are enjoying. And I appreciate you all take time and you all watch my videos. Thank you. And the sun is setting. Before was raining. Now our sunflower in one line is almost all open. Some are small and some are big, but it looks so attractive, so beautiful. I wish to have more flowers, and I really grateful Allah Almighty. There is some plum tree which is full with plums, very sweet ripe plums, and apple tree got apple. Italian man grow this apple tree 48 years ago, and he looked after his gala ruby apples, very sweet, extra sweet, and very delicious. So it start ripening now. We pick up some apples and wash and take home and take the orange juice out and use at home, and it is really really delicious. The grass look gold, very beautiful brown color, and against the brown and gold, the greenery look beautiful too. So this is the back of our gardens.
यहाँ
Other
पर
people have
देखें कि सुबह
gardens,
सवेरे कौंसल
and in the
आके
morning there are no
सारे
many
पार्क को
people
अच्छे
there.
से साफ सफाई कर जाती है, इन सारी चीज़ों को चेक करती है कि ये बिल्कुल ठीक काम करी हैं ताकि बच्चे ना गिरे, उनके चोट ना आए। बिल्कुल साफ सफाई है। सुबह तकरीबन 8 बजे का टाइम है और आज 27 जुलाई 2025 है। तो देखें पार्क में एक बंदा आपको नज़र नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि लोग सुबह सोए रहते हैं, रात को देर तक जागते हैं और सुबह को देर तक सोते हैं। तो अगर आपने कामयाब होना है ना, तो आप सुबह साजरे उठ जागना शुरू करें और टाइम के साथ सोना शुरू करें। मैं क्या करती थी कि जब मेरे बच्चे छोटे थे, अभी छोटे हैं, तो उनको सुबह सवेरे यहाँ पे ला के थोड़ा सा खिला लिया, आधा घंटा घंटा उनकी एक्सरसाइज हो गई, फिर जाके उनको ब्रेकफास्ट बना के दे दिया उन्होंने, और बिल्कुल साफ़ सफाई है, नो कोई शोर है, ना कोई शराबा है, ठंडी ठंडी हवा है, गर्मी भी नहीं है। तो इस तरह अगर आप करेंगे ना, यकीन करें आप भी खुश, आपके बच्चे भी खुश, और आप अपनी जो लोकल फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, जो भी आपकी रिसोर्सेज हैं, उसको अच्छे से यूज़ कर पाएंगे। बच्चों को टाइम दें, इससे पहले कि बच्चे जो हमेशा बच्चे नहीं होते, बहुत जल्दी बड़े हो जाते हैं और फिर वो आपको टाइम नहीं देंगे और आप उनके टाइम के लिए तरसेंगे।
There was wedding on Sunday, and there was a white horse and white carriage, white car came all the way from Birmingham to here, and there is a bride standing there. She was going in a round circle. When she saw me, she just stood up, and there photo shooting taking place. First the girl come and sit in a upstairs, wait for bra to come, then people groom side people come, they all welcome them each other, and they do pray, and then they do go inside and do pere. These are beautiful flowers from my friend's house, and I look so beautiful. So many colorful flowers are been settled in there. So you do lots of effort to make hanging baskets, and more you look after these baskets, more better is going to look beautiful and long last. So it is expensive to make this kind of baskets, but it is worth. You buy like 3-4 trays of different flowers, and you start putting a good quality of compost in and feed in the baskets, because in the hot dry weather these flowers need moist, they need feed as well. When you putting the compost, you put the feed in as well as you put like a gel type of things, so it's going to last longer.
और छोटे से पार्क में ना जो फीचर है हमारे टाउन का, वो भी यहाँ पे बनाया हुआ है, और देखिए कितना प्यारा मौसम है और बच्चे कितने खुश हो रहे हैं और कितना अच्छा खेल कूद रहे हैं।
नस्अलुका या मन हुवल्लाहुल्लज़ी ला इलाहा इल्ला हु अर्रहमानुर रहीमुल मालिकुल कुद्दूसुस सलामुल मुमिनुल मुहैमिनुल अजीजुल जब्बारुल मुतकब्बिर अल खालिकुल बारिउल मुसव्विरुल गफ्फारुल कहारुल वहाबुर रज़ाकुल फताहुल अलीम अल काबिदुल बासितुल खाफिदुल राफिउल मुइज़्ज़ु मुज़िल्लु समीउल बसीर अल हाकमु अल अदलु اللطيف الخبير الحليم العظيم الغفور الشكور العلي الكبير الحفيظ المقيت الحسيب الجليل الكريم الرقيب المجيب الواسع الحكيم الودود المجيد الباعث الشهيد الحق الوكيل الكبير المتين الولي المتعالي البر التواب المنتقم العفو رؤوف مالك الملك ذو الجلال والإكرام المقسط الجامع الغني المغني المانع الضار والنافع النور الهادي البديع الباقي الوارث والرشيد الصبور ليس كمثله شيء وهو السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين حسبي ربي جل الله ما في قلبي غير الله نور محمد صلى الله لا إله إلا 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 الله حسبي ربي جل الله ما في قلبي غير الله نور محمد صلى الله لا إله إلا الله أول آخر ہے اللہ ظاہر باطن ہے اللہ حافظ و ناصر ہے اللہ لا الہ الا اللہ لا الہ الا اللہ لا الہ الا اللہ حسبی ربی جل اللہ ما فی قلبی غیر اللہ نور محمد صلی اللہ لا الہ الا اللہ لا الہ الا اللہ لا الہ الا اللہ کھل جائیں در جنت کے دوزخ کی سب آگ بجھے دل سے